Imagine a world where anyone could access your network at will. Scary, right? Access control lists are your first line of defense, determining who can access what within your network. ACLs are implemented in routers, layer 3 switches, and firewalls, acting as gatekeepers. They ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive data, keeping your network secure and efficient. Layer 3 ACLs operate at the network layer, focusing on IP addresses. They control traffic based on source and destination IPs, providing a broad level of security. Layer 4 ACLs, on the other hand, work at the transport layer, dealing with ports and protocols. This allows for more precise control, filtering traffic based on specific services. Layer 7 ACLs operate at the application layer, offering the most granular control. They can filter traffic based on specific applications or services, making them ideal for complex networks. With Layer 7 ACLs, you can block or allow traffic based on user behavior, ensuring that only legitimate requests are processed, enhancing both security and performance. ACLs are integral to cybersecurity frameworks like NIST and ISO 27001. They help organizations meet stringent security standards and protect sensitive information. Regulatory environments such as GDPR and HIPAA require ACLs for compliance. By implementing ACLs, you ensure both security and legal adherence, safeguarding your business. ACLs enhance network performance by reducing unnecessary traffic. By filtering out unwanted data, they help prioritize critical data flows, ensuring efficient network operations. Efficient ACLs lead to faster and more reliable networks. They minimize latency and improve response times, providing a seamless experience for users and boosting productivity. Let's recap. We've explored the power of ACLs, their layers, and their role in compliance and performance. By implementing ACLs, you secure your network and enhance its efficiency. By understanding and utilizing ACLs, you'll protect your network from unauthorized access and ensure compliance with industry standards. It's a crucial step in safeguarding your digital assets. Contact Arrakis Consulting for expert guidance on ACLs. Visit us at arrakisconsulting.com for more resources and secure your network today with professional ACL implementation. Take action now. Reach out to Arrakis Consulting and let us help you fortify your network. Together, we can build a secure and efficient digital future.